Reassembly of the Model 50F. Lightly apply white lithium grease inside the cylinder and around the piston O-ring. Insert the piston dry blade assembly and rubber bumper into the cylinder. With the rib side of the dry blade facing forward, insert the cylinder into the nailer body. Install the head valve assembly into cap. Center of the cap has flats that fit into flats inside the piston stopper. Turning the valve assembly will help line up the flats. Align the cap gasket with a 4 mm Allen wrench. Install the cap with the 4 cap screws. Turn the nailer over and using the 3 mm Allen wrench, install the nose cover with the 4 screws.